Good day everyone, welcome to 2-Minute tutorial. For today's video, I will teach you how to use arithmetic operations in Excel. Arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. As you can see, I had already typed numbers 90 and 60 in every operation. Those numbers will be used as we work on. For addition, we will use the plus sign, wherein in C6 we will type equal sign, A6, plus sign, B6, and press enter to get the sum of 150. For subtraction, we will use the minus sign, wherein in G6 we will type equal sign, E6, minus sign, F6, and press enter to get the difference of 30. For multiplication, we will use the asterisk, wherein in K6 we will type equal sign, I6, asterisk, J6, press enter to get the product of 5,400. For division, we will use the forward slash, wherein in O6 we will type equal sign, M6, forward slash, N6, and press enter to get the answer of 1.5. Now, let's review the arithmetic operations with their corresponding signs. For addition, we use the plus sign, minus sign for subtraction. In multiplication, we use the asterisk, and lastly, forward slash for division. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel and click the bell button to keep you notified in my next upload. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Bye.